left. Today we're going to do rock painting. I have a rock t-shirt. Look at that. We need some paint, black paint, we need some plates, and we need a paintbrush and some rocks and a plate. And a plate. Let's start. So we need some more rocks. And we need some plates also. Okay. And we also need somewhere to put our black paint. And of course we need a paintbrush. Of course we need some paint. Now let's put some paint, some black paint, in something we're going to pour. This is permanent paint, acrylic paint. Let's begin. Let's get started. All of them? So I'm going to color in all of it. Now we need to fast forward because this is going to be a little bit long. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, down, fast forward. Okay, so we colored all the rocks in. Now we need to wait until they be dry. Okay, let's wait. So we need the fan to dry them. So let's do it. It's nice and dry. So, look, it's dry. So let's continue to rock painting. So we need a white marker. Shake it well before you start drying. So let's rock. No, this is not beautiful at all. Let's rock it. You can draw everything you want on this rock. I'm drawing my name and a heart. Yeah, of course I'll draw something else. This can be snow or this can be stars. Well, we're going to paint another rock. So now we're painting another rock. Rock is falling from the sky. Wait. Let's start. You're already here now. I already draw hearts on the other one. Okay, we finished our rock. Then look what I got. So I got this and I got this. Okay, I'll show it. Look at that. And look at this. Look how cool it is. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So thank you for doing this with me. So, well, bye-bye. So if you want So if you want to watch more of my videos, what you have to do is search to my name. Do you want to spell my name together? Okay. L-E-E. Well, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, then you'll know when we make new videos. Well, bye-bye. I have another great idea. We're going to draw something with a white marker on a mag. Let's start. Love you, Dad. This is going to be D-D-D. That can be a spell. And that way to be spelling Dad. D-D-D. D-D-D. U. D. D. And let's turn on our eyeballs. My dad will love this. For Father's Day. Thank you for watching. Bye.